Johnnie Robbie using the jabs and finishing her off with the back elbow. And then a clubbing forearm to the back of the head. Oh, and look at that.
Well, when you run into something like that, that's going to stop all your momentum, and that might be lights out.
And once again, Johnnie Robbie able to kick out. Rachelle Riveter made her debut here at FSW, losing to Viva Van, but she has been on a roll ever since. She's really acclimated herself.
Oh yeah, she fits in great in the women's division. Which, who knows, maybe after the 23rd, we might have a new champion. Could be the Dark Sheik.
We may.
Waistlock into the German. Releases with it, causing more damage.
And Johnnie Robbie looking like she's trying to fit. Look.
Packaged her into the backbreaker. And a back suplex folds up Rachelle Riveter.
Come on, get her. Get up. Get up.
And she connects with the knee. Oh, and that looked like it was about to be a 3.
Gets the 2 out of it, almost like a bicycle knee.
Rachelle's very lucky that the ref didn't use one of his patented quick counts.